Hi, good evening. This is again Teacher Rika, and what we are going to review tonight is how to multiply integers. So this type of lecture is more on review rather than an introduction. If we have 8 times 4, that is 32. 3 times 20, it's 60. 6 times 7, that's 42. 15 times 4, it's 60. Negative 12 times negative 4, 48. Negative 5 times negative 3, 15. Negative 9 times negative 7, it's 63. Negative 8 times negative 30, it's 240. So a positive integer multiplied to a positive integer is equal to a positive integer. A negative integer times a negative integer will give us a positive integer as a product. Two factors with the same sign gives a positive product. So that's the rule. How about if we have negative 9 times 4? That's negative 36. 11 times negative 3, it's negative 33. 0 times 20, that will give us 0. 7 times negative 6, it's negative 42. Negative 1 times 14, it's negative 14. Negative 13 times 0, it's 0. So a positive integer times a negative integer is equal to a negative integer. Or a negative integer multiplied to a positive integer will give us a negative integer as a product. Two factors with different signs gives a negative product. And any number multiplied to 0 is 0. So let's practice. What is 10 times 0? Did you get 0? Negative 16 times 3. Did you get negative 48? 35 times negative 2. Do you have the same answer? Negative 5 times negative 12. Did you get 60? How about 20 times 4? Did you get 80? 0 times negative 19. Is it 0? Negative 17 times negative 2. Do you get the same answer, which is 34? Negative 8 times 9. Did you get negative 72? How about if we have more than 2 factors? Let's say 5 times negative 2 times 7. So you can group these first 2 factors, multiply them first, negative 5 times negative 2, which will give us 10. And then multiply it to 7, that's 70. How about if we have negative 3 times 2 times negative 8 times 5? You can multiply first or group factors with the same sign. Negative 3 times negative 8 will give us 24. And 2 times 5 will give us 10. So multiply 24 and 10, that's 240. Negative 6 times negative 1 times negative 3. So we can work from left to right. Negative 6 times negative 1 will give us 6. Times negative 3, that's negative 18. Negative 8 times 4 times 0 times 6. Now, since there is 0 as a factor, the product is 0. Even if we work one by one, negative 8 times 4, that will give us negative 32. Times 0, that's 0. 0 times 6, it's still 0. So this is the exercise for multiplication of integers. You can pause the slide if you wanted to answer them. So that's it. That's how we multiply integers. I hope this helped our students. Goodbye for today and see you for the next lesson.